Hello everyone, welcome to a new session of Soloves sir classes geology. And as you know, we are in this question paper we are dealing with IIT JAM Geology 2017 paper, and right now we are discussing the question number 15. In question number 15 they say which one of the following statement is correct for class 1b, or you can say parallel folds. Is it orthogonal thickness at hinge or greater than at limb, or axial planar thickness at hinge is equal to that at limb? So deep isochrones are parallel or deep isochrones are converged. Basically the right answer for this question is question answer, or we can say option D. Why? Basically in class 1 folds deep isochrones are, I can write here, in class 1 folds deep isochrones are convergent. Convergent to what? Convergent towards the core of the fold. Okay, and in passing from outer to inner arc. In subclass 1b fold, the thickness of the layer remains uniform and deep isochrones are perpendicular to the layer surfaces. And if we draw a picture of this convergency of the deep isochrones, it will be look like this. Here's the fold and isochrones will be like this. Okay, and that's at the parallel. So that's all for the question number 15. So the right answer of question number 15 is option D. Deep isochrones are converged in case of class 1b parallel fold. Now in question number 16 you can see in the given map, is the map, the xy surface has the same orientation as in the Paleozoic sequence. Okay, so what this xy region represents? See, as they said, this is area is known as is made of Jurassic limestone. This area is made up of Triassic calcareous shale. This area is Permian sandstone, and those areas are Carboniferous mudstone. Okay, so as you can see here, this Jurassic limestone are emerged between the Permian and Triassic calcareous shale as well as sandstone. So what is the characteristic of that? First, we know a thrust fault is a break in the earth crust. Here you can see is a break in the earth crust across which older rocks, which is in this case Jurassic limestone, are pushed above the younger rocks, where it is the Permian sandstone as well as Triassic calcareous shale. So right answer for this question is the option D, thrust. Okay, so that's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching us. If you have any complaint or suggestion, you can call us in this number 9836793076, or you can Google as Soloves sir classes, where you can find this type of classes of many in number. Okay, so thank you for being with us. A very warm welcome.